I was sent this hydrating serum and I'm so excited to try it out. I love this brand, and hyaluronic acid is so good for anti-aging. So this one, you only need 2 to 3 drops, which seems like such a small amount. So let's get it started. I'm gonna prime the pump here. 1, 2, 3. This is the consistency when it comes out. It's kind of watery, not sticky at all. You can just massage it into your skin. You can also use it on your neck, which is good. I always like to make sure I pay good attention to my neck, and then I'll rub the rest into my face. This is for really instant hydration. No strong smells or anything like that. And then when you're done, you can follow up with your favorite moisturizer, some SPF, and any makeup that you want to wear for the day. Right now, my face is just clean and cleansed. No face makeup on it. I do have a little bit of eye makeup on right now. Okay, it's very hydrating. It does give you that instant hit of hydration and a little bit of a glow as well. You can use this day and night. Has a nice glass bottle, and I think you're gonna really like it.